Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the screen and your finger. This ensures reliable scans. First, clean the display with a microfiber cloth and dry completely because oils and dust distort sensors. Once done, open Settings and go to Security or Biometrics to start enrollment. Make sure to remove any thick screen protector that prevents direct contact. Use a single finger for first registration. This gives consistent data. Follow on-screen prompts to place your finger repeatedly, and listen for haptic or sound confirmation after each capture. Now you focus on capturing the full fingerprint pattern. This is why rotation matters. Position the pad of your finger on the sensor, then lift and slightly rotate between prompts because the system needs edge and center data. Use moderate, steady pressure. Too light causes failures, too hard compresses ridges. Make multiple passes. Aim for center, left edge, right edge, and the fingertip area to build a robust template. Once the device reports success, add a second fingerprint for backup, preferably the same finger at a slightly different orientation. Finish by testing the sensor repeatedly to confirm reliable performance. Try unlocking 3 to 5 times with different angles because real use varies. If recognition fails frequently, re-register the finger or add an alternate finger. Make sure the screen protector was not replaced after enrollment. If problems persist, reboot the device and check for system updates, since patches often improve biometric algorithms. As a last resort, delete the fingerprint data and repeat enrollment, taking care to follow the same moderate pressure and rotational technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.